Breaking news, Garmin fans, get ready for the latest addition to the Fenix family, the Garmin Fenix 8 economy version that's packed with features at an affordable price, size, and design. The Garmin Fenix 8, with its 47mm size, strikes a perfect balance between durability and style. Its design closely resembles the Epic series known for their rugged yet refined look. The Fenix 8 maintains this aesthetic, combining sleek lines with a robust build that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Despite its slightly larger size, it feels comfortable on the wrist, making it suitable for both everyday wear and intense activities. This watch isn't just about looks, it's packed with advanced features that make it a powerful tool for adventurers and fitness enthusiasts. It includes a wide range of sensors like GPS, heart rate monitoring, and SPO2 tracking, ensuring accurate data for your workouts and outdoor adventures. The Fenix 8 also boasts long battery life, which is essential for extended trips. It supports various sports modes, from running to climbing, and provides detailed performance metrics to help you improve. Whether you're exploring new terrains or navigating daily life, the Garmin Fenix 8 is built to keep up. Its combination of style, durability, and advanced features make it a standout choice for those who demand the best in a smartwatch. Heart rate monitoring. The Garmin Fenix 8 continues to use the Elevate sensor, which is also found in its predecessor. This sensor measures your heart rate by shining light into your skin and detecting changes in blood flow. It's a reliable technology that has been proven effective in various fitness and health applications. The core function of heart rate monitoring remains the same. It tracks how many times your heart beats per minute, giving insights into your cardiovascular health and exercise intensity. The data is used to calculate metrics like calories burned, workout zones, and recovery time. Even though the Fenix 8 uses the same sensor as before, there might be updates in how the data is processed or presented. Garmin often improves its software algorithms to provide more accurate readings and better integrate heart rate data with other health metrics. These enhancements could lead to more precise heart rate tracking, better battery life, or additional features such as improved sleep tracking or stress monitoring. In summary, while the hardware, Elevate sensor is unchanged, software improvements could bring meaningful updates to heart rate monitoring. These could enhance accuracy, data analysis, and overall user experience, making the Fenix 8 a valuable tool for fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious users. Display. The Fenix 8 continues with LCD panels from its predecessor, the Epic model. This means the display remains clear and easy to read, even in various lighting conditions. LCD screens are known for their good color accuracy and visibility in bright environments. However, while the LCD offers reliable performance, it faces stiff competition from smartwatches using newer display technologies like OLED or AMOLED. OLED and AMOLED screens typically provide more vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and better contrast ratios compared to LCDs. These advancements enhance the overall viewing experience, especially in low light or high contrast scenarios. For the Fenix 8 to stand out in a crowded market, it will need to offer additional features or improvements beyond the display. While the current LCD panel ensures readability, the smartwatch industry is rapidly evolving and potential buyers may be looking for more advanced screen technology in their devices. User interface and audio. With a new and improved user interface, navigating the Fenix 8 is easier than ever. Plus, with both a microphone and speaker, you can take calls and control your music on the go. Launch date. Rumored to launch in just a few weeks, the Fenix 8 is coming soon. Will it be worth the wait? Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to experience the best of Garmin at an affordable price with the Fenix 8. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest news and reviews.